Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the OnePlus Nord N200 5G. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I decided to pick up another device, and yes, don't adjust your screens. That is the OnePlus Nord N200. I got it from Tmobile, as you can see right there. I decided to pick up this device because I've seen a deal on their website where you can actually get this phone for free after bill credits if you trade in a device, any working device, or added a line. I had an old ZTE Maven phone that I got a couple years ago from Best Buy for like $8 that I actually traded in, and I'm getting bill credits for this device. Yes, I did have to pay a $30 activation fee or upgrade fee, but I did get that waived through customer service too. If you order it online through the customer service, you do not have to actually pay that fee up front. I need to give a shout out to my Project 13. Mr. Anthony actually picked up this device too. If y'all haven't checked out his channel or his videos on this device, go ahead and check him out. I will have the links in the description. He picked up the device. He did the same deal. I think he traded in like an old Nokia phone that he's been having around. So go check out his channel. In this video, I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing. I'm gonna show you what's in the box, go over the phone, and then just give you my first impressions of the device. If you don't want to trade in the device or, also get a new line, the device on T-Mobile is like $216. If you want to get an unlocked version, you can get it from OnePlus's website for $249. And then also Metro by T-Mobile has a deal too. I don't know exactly what the deal is, but if you're with Metro by T-Mobile, you can check out their website and pick it up for pretty cheap. Now, yes, it is a cheaper device. They did cut some corners, like the display is only a LCD screen. It's 1080p. There's no water resistance, there's no IP rating, there's no wireless charging, and the Snapdragon is a 480 processor. But let's get into the unboxing part. Bam, funky looking knife. I can't find my unboxing knife. I think it's downstairs. But let's see what you get in the box. Oh, I'm gonna go over the specs too while the phone is starting up. Here's the phone, look at that. See what else you get in the box. Do you get a case? Probably not. Oh, little Nord stickers there. Welcome, a SIM card. You do get the charging brick or charging cable and a charging brick. Now it's not super fast charging. 18 watts, but it's, the OnePlus 9 Pro charges a lot quicker than that. So that's what you get in the box, plain, nice and simple. Here is the phone itself. I'll take off this sticker. Why do they stick stickers in the back? Alright, so here's the phone itself. It does look pretty, but it's really light. It kind of feels cheapish to me. It does have the headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, a microphone at the bottom, the speaker, the power button, and the fingerprint scanners on the side. I don't know how I feel about that. Some people like it. I don't know. We'll see. At the top, you have another microphone, the OnePlus brand in there too, the volume rockers, and the SIM card slot. Let's see if it has some power, which it does. It should. Maybe. Nice little startup logo. While that's starting up, so that front display right there is a 6.49 inch LCD display. Like I said earlier, it's a 1080p display with a 90 Hz refresh rate. On the front, you have a 16 megapixel front facing camera. So on the back, you have a 13 megapixel main shooter. Then you have a 2 megapixel macro lens and then also a 2 megapixel monochrome lens. Why they didn't do the wide angle lens, I don't know. I don't need the monochrome lens, just give me the wide angle lens. The OnePlus 9 Pro, that wide angle lens on there is great, so I don't know. They could have probably fit that in there, especially for $216. Now it does have a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, comes with 64 gigs of storage, up to 256 gigs on the memory card. So if you have a memory card, you can go up to 256 gigs. It has 4 gigs of RAM. It is running Android 11 straight out the box. It has the Snapdragon 480 processor, like I mentioned early too. So what I'm gonna do next is pause the video. I'm gonna go put my SIM card in there. I wanna show you the storage. Also, just go into the camera settings a little bit, maybe the settings overall on this device. I still like the blue color. You can get it in gray on their website also, but T-Mobile only has it in the blue. Look at the bezels at the bottom, all around it. It is flat screen, so that's a good thing also. But let me go ahead and pause the video. I'm gonna go ahead and put my SIM card in there, get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so I went ahead and set up the device. I'm gonna just go over a few things. Let me go into the settings real quick. Watch how quick the fingerprint scanner is. Not bad. Check it again. Now it does have face unlock also, which I didn't set up yet, but what y'all think? That's not bad. As far as the storage goes, you have, right now I'm using 12 gigs. Look, if my thing would focus, maybe 12 gigs, almost 13 gigs, I guess, of the 64. Not bad. 20% being used. What y'all think? Yes, the settings in there. Let's see, the settings. Looks like a OnePlus device, I'm not gonna lie. Because it is a OnePlus device. What y'all think? I mean, it's not bad looking. Not bad. Now stay tuned to the channel. I will be doing more videos on this device. I might even try to game on it to see if that Snapdragon 480 processor can actually game on it. Y'all let me know in the comments what type of videos you want to see from this device. We'll do a camera test. I'm gonna go take some pictures all around San Antonio and also some video. If you're watching the video this long, I also forgot to mention that the cameras in the rear and the front can only shoot 1080p at 30 frames per second, so not even 1080p at 60 or 4K on the rear cameras. Let's do a quick comparison. Here's this big brother, the OnePlus 9 Pro. Look at that. About the same size. Also, this one does not have the alert slider. The Nord 200 does not have the alert slider. Is that a bummer too? I don't know, this actually looks pretty good. Look at the bottoms. Bam. But again, like I said earlier, let me know what type of videos you want to see from me on this device. If you want to pick it up, like I said, it is at T-Mobile. If you have an old phone laying around, as long as it turns on and it has no scratches on it, you can actually pick this phone up for practically free. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the OnePlus Nord 200. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForrestReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.